These got our fennel sausages, nice herbs in them, no preservatives. When you throw these onto the grill with no preservatives, what can happen is they can dry out real quick. So that's a problem. So what we're gonna do, give you a solution. We're gonna braise them with some ginger beer, give it a nice little flavor pop and moisten these bad boys up so they don't dry out on the grill. And you know, if you want to put an adult twist to it, you can go ahead and use the real dark beer. Throw it in there. Pump it up the volume just a little bit. Now for some flavor pop, we're gonna hit it with some mustard seed. Nice. Little caraway seed. Hitting it with some flavor, ladies. Hitting it with some flavor. Now, we're gonna put in some onions right in here. Add these two, nice little flavor pop. And I am gonna go to the bullpen here right behind me and ask Miss Charlotte to put these on the simmer for me for about 15 minutes, please. Thank you very much. I know you've done that already for me. Beautiful. Teamwork right there. Miss Charlotte, she's already done it. We'll lay them here, get them ready for the grill. All nice and moist. Hit these with a little extra virgin olive oil. Put these right in here. We're gonna add a little red pepper, a little chopped garlic here. We'll throw that in a nice skillet on the side burner over there. Take these to the grill. Come on, let's go. Count with me, y'all. 1 steamboat, 2 steamboats, 3 steamboats, 4 steamboats, 5 steamboats, 6 steamboats, 7 steamboats. You're looking for 7 steamboats to ensure low heat. I'm gonna put my onions in first. Nice little sizzle there. Gonna caramelize these. Oh, can you hear it? You're gonna start smelling it real soon. Put my onions in there. Let those break down first, because I want to save my red peppers for later. Oh, yeah. About 30 minutes is what we want to do here. Just gonna shut this down. Make sure you stir it, okay? I'm gonna walk right over here. Check this out. Y'all ready for this? Oh! Oh, man. Are you kidding me? That is crazy. Look at those bad boys. Look at that color. That's almost like onion butter right there. Now's the perfect time to put in your red peppers, because we want our peppers a little crunchier, okay? Stir those up. Just gonna slide this over here. Keep that on low heat there. I'm gonna crank the heat up over on this side. Remember, these sausages have no preservatives in them. We've braised them nicely in ginger beer, and we've moistened them up so they won't dry out on our grill. It's real fast here, 7 to 8 minutes on high heat, and those bad boys are close to being in our belly. These are nice and crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Y'all ready to eat? Yeah!